I gave this AI agent a real presentation assignment. No template, no shortcuts, just a topic and a set of requirements, and told it to figure out the rest on its own. And this is what it came back with. Full slides, diagrams, visuals, all matching the topic, all generated on its own from a single prompt. It's built using a platform called AiPPT, an AI-powered presentation tool that turns an idea, a topic, or even your own source material into a full, ready-to-use slide deck in minutes.
This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
AiPPT is an AI-powered presentation platform built to turn an idea, a topic, or even your own source material into a full, professional slide deck in minutes. Let's sign in and take a look at how it works. Once you're logged in, this is the main dashboard, and this is where things get interesting, because we're not just testing the regular AI slide generator today. AiPPT recently rolled out something called Agent Mode, and it works differently. Instead of feeding it a template and hoping for the best, you actually give the AI a real task, complete with your own requirements, your own preferences, and even your own visual style, and it runs with it. So instead of just asking for a presentation, we're going to hand it an actual assignment and see what it comes back with. Here's the interface. You'll notice 4 options. Agent, which is the new one we're testing. Slide presentation, the classic mode. Flow, which auto-formats slides based on your ideas. And Visual, which is built for image-heavy, story-driven decks. Since we're putting Agent Mode to the test, that's what we'll use. The idea is simple. One prompt, and the agent builds the entire deck from there. Here's the prompt we're giving it. Create a clear, visually engaging presentation explaining how self-driving cars use, interpret, predict, and safely navigate the road using cameras, LiDAR, radar, AI, sensor fusion, and real-time decision-making in a modern automotive tech style with diagrams, sensor visualizations, and road scenarios, kept simple enough for a general audience to follow. Notice how specific that is. The more detail you give the agent, the better it understands exactly what you're picturing. Next, we choose a mode. You've got light, standard, and ultra, depending on how much time and quality you're after. We're going with standard since it strikes the right balance between speed and output quality. Now here's the feature I actually find the most interesting: skills. This lets you turn an entire deck or workflow into something reusable, and there are a few ways to build one. You can import a skill package if you already have one saved as a .zip file. You can upload an existing PowerPoint or PDF, and AiPPT will study it and turn it into a reusable skill based on that style. Or you can start from scratch and build a custom skill for a specific workflow using your own files. We've actually already built one of our own using the presentation option, so we're going to apply that here. If you scroll down, there's also a skill library packed with pre-built skills for different types of presentations, so if one already matches what you need, you can just select it and go. On the right side, under My Skills, you'll find the one we created earlier. Let's take a quick look, and once we're happy with it, we hit Apply. And there it is, added straight into our prompt. Everything's set, so let's hit Start. The agent begins analyzing the prompt and the skill we gave it, but before it starts building, it asks a couple of quick questions first. First, how many slides do we want? You can go with a shorter 6 to 10 page deck or a longer version between 16 and 20 pages, depending on how deep you want to go. Second, it asks whether we want real-world companies mentioned. For a topic like self-driving cars, you can either keep things generic and technology-focused, or let the AI reference actual companies in the space to make it feel more grounded. We'll go with yes for this one. There's also a text box if you want to add extra instructions or details. Once you're happy, hit Submit. And now the real generation begins. You can literally watch the agent build the presentation in real time. The Mission Progress panel shows exactly what it's working on step by step, and on the right, the slides are being generated live in front of you. You can even open up the code behind each individual slide if you're curious how it's structured, or just switch to preview to see the deck coming together visually. It takes a few minutes to finish the full process, so let's fast forward and check out the final result. And here it is in full screen view. Honestly, this looks legitimately professional. Every slide is packed with relevant information, clean diagrams, and visuals that actually match the topic, all wrapped in a consistent design from start to finish. This is really where agent mode shows its value. You give it one prompt, tell it what you want, add your preferences or a custom skill, and it handles everything else from there. And that skills feature is genuinely useful beyond this one test. If you ever come across a presentation style online that you like, you can turn it into a skill and reuse that exact look and structure for your own future presentations, which gives you a lot more control over the final result without doing any manual design work.
So that's AiPPT's new agent mode. Would you actually use something like this for your presentations? Let me know in the comments, and I'll drop the link to AiPPT in the description if you want to try it yourself. Want to try it out? Use my exclusive code GUR15 and get 15% off your subscription. So don't wait, grab your discount now. If this was useful, subscribe for more videos breaking down AI tools like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.